What's up? Welcome back to my tutorial. Hopefully, this part shouldn't take too long. I realized that there was a bug in the sword. I said, sucks. It must be fixed. Something's annoying in a video game. You can't stomp on it until it's dead. Stupid evil laugh. So to start off, let's say global.using sword is equal to false. Add that as a variable into the create event. In alarm 0, say global.using sword is equal to false and mask index is equal to SPR link mask, so that, well, you'll see later. Here you're gonna want to copy. Sorry, my computer's glitching up. You're gonna want to copy this up. You're gonna want to copy this that I have highlighted right now, and then for you, if you didn't watch this part yet, all of this wouldn't be indented. So if you want to indent it quickly, highlight all of it. You can highlight all of it, which is like this. Then right click it and then click indent selected lines, but I already did, so I don't have to. Teehee. So say at the top, if global.using sword is equal to false, and then put this thingy. I have no idea what the heck this thing is called. And then at the end of it, just put another one of those things. That's it. That's all you gotta do for that part. Collision with object solid doesn't change at all. But in if keyboard check, I actually changed the sword button, so now it's control instead of so now it's control instead of Z. And here, say if global.using sword is equal to false, which means that you're not using your sword. Global.using sword is equal to true, which means that now I am using your sword, so forget about you. So I can go and kill some enemies. Say, paste it here, paste the thing that I had you copy here, then just press N, and then just indent it down a line and say mask index is equal to SBR link sword D, and then mask index is equal to SBR link sword L, and say mask index is equal to SBR link sword U, mask index is equal to SBR link sword R. Yeah, you get it. Set the speed to 0 and set alarm 0 to 10. That's how you do it. So that's its set link. You need to set the masks, or else he'll just stay on his previous mask, and enemies will only be able to get her if they're touching Link and not his sword, which is really stupid. So in this object stalfo, delete the collision with object link sword event, and now put in a collision with object link, and say using sword is equal to true, then it destroys itself, which is instance destroy, and then those two, like, I have no idea what the heck those things are called. Enemy die and object solid don't change at all. Object solid doesn't really need to be solid. You can just call it like block or something like that. Cause the script that I'm using for solids, it just like stops you there, like turns you to your previous X. It doesn't even like work as solids. You can put down another object and have it not solid and have nothing on. Probably gonna have to do that later. So watch as it loads. Oh no, don't do this to me. So now Link can walk around and watch this. I'm gonna press control, but it might still for you. So press sword. If I use it while nothing happens. Turn to the down for like a pretty awesome. Yeah, you get. Now there is another thing I wanted to fix. I got the NES Classic Zelda on my 3DS. Turns out Link he stops on a certain. He doesn't stop on a certain frame. He stops on the last frame he was on. So in the else event, if speed is equal to 3 and else, under else, delete image index is equal to 0. So now he'll only stop on the previous. Frame. Please don't glitch, please don't glitch, please don't glitch. The computer seems to like to glitch often. I'm not gonna ask why. It's just a newbie like that. What the heck? What just happened? I'm just gonna pause this for a sec, okay? Pause it. Hey guys, I'm back if I was even gone. So here's Link. You can use a sword. And he doesn't just keep on stopping on that single frame. Now he can stop on whatever frame he was previously on. Pretty awesome. I'm just trying to make it seem as I'm just trying to make it seem as much as the I'm just trying to make it seem as classic as possible. Hopefully it's working. I don't know. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm just gonna do this now, just because it looks cool. I'm gonna start the game. I'm gonna check off start the game in full screen mode. I'm gonna let the window always stay on top. I don't want it to draw bordered window. I don't want it to draw border in windowed mode, and I don't want it to show the buttons in the window caption. And I'm just gonna click out. I'm just gonna set all those. I'm gonna use synchronization to avoid tearing. I'm gonna let yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna uncheck F5 and F6 to load a game, and sure, whatever. You can take screenshots if I end up using this. This will, I'm gonna check off these three just so I can do that. Teehee. Oh, fail. There. So forth. So now it'll look cool. If you decide to do what I decided, hold on a sec. Just press F4 if you want to change the screen size. So this seems to like to lag, so I'll just okay, I'm back. Hopefully I was actually gone this time if I wasn't. So now you can now it doesn't show a window. Now it doesn't show the border. Press F4 what I just did, but the game doesn't seem to like that. It should resize. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if it'll actually resize this time. Yeah, did you see that? Resizes. Just press F4, 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 F4. Yeah, I'm just lagging it. See you later. Bye, yo. Just done yet. Come on, though. Laggy. Grr. Gone? No. Gah. This is just sad.